Hello scholars, welcome to another math class with Mr. Daniel. Today we will complete lesson 13 of your Common Core Grade 2 Module 4 workbook. Let us see how to use math drawings to represent subtraction with or without decomposition and relate drawings to a rhythm method. Let's see if we can do that. Let's use this application problem. Mrs. Becky went shopping with $42. She spent $18. How much money does she have left? Now, if you look at the left hand side, I drew the math drawings there. I use place value disk, $42. I want to remove 18 from 42. In the ones place, I cannot remove 8 from 2. So I have to decompose a 10. I exchange 1 10 for 10 ones so that I will be able to remove 8 ones from the ones place. So I now have a total of 12 ones. And if I remove 8 ones from 12 ones, I have 4. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So you see my answer. 24. Is it not simple? Let us play again now. Subtraction from tens. I will say a basic fact. You add 10 to the whole and continue until I say stop. After 10 minus 5, for example, you will solve 20 minus 5, 30 minus 5. Okay, let's do up to 3 places like that. Solve as many as you can on your personal whiteboard. When I give you a signal to go to another number, we'll continue. Right, so it's just an addition of 10 more, 10 more, 10 more. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. 10 minus 5, 5. What will be the next one? 20 minus 5, 15. What will be the next one? 30 minus 5, 25. Stop. Let's take another number. 10 minus 8, 2. 20 minus 8, 12. 30 minus 8, 22. Stop. It's 4, isn't it? Here's another number. 11 minus 2, 9. 21 minus 2, 19. 31 minus 2, 29. Correct. Let us take another number. 12 minus 4, 8. 22 minus 4, 18. 32 minus 4, 28. Fantastic job. Here's another number. 11 minus 5. What is 11 minus 5? 6. 21 minus 5. 16. 31 minus 5. 26. It's simple. Once you know the answer to the first one, keep adding 10 to your answers. That's just how the question is. Yes, it makes it easier to relate. Alright, please go ahead and complete your sprint. Your sprint are simple subtraction questions like 10 minus 5, 20 minus 5, just the way we did it now. Please complete your sprint and bring them for marking. Let us solve these questions using vertical method and CHIPS model. 31 minus 18. On the right hand side, you've seen my vertical method. 31 minus 18. In the ones place, I cannot remove 8 from 1. So I have to take a 10 and make it 10 ones. Plus my other one, I will now have 11 ones. If you check in my chip model, the chip model, you don't have to draw a disk. Each chip you put in the ones place is a 1. And the one you put in the tens place is a 10. So you have 2 chips in my tens place, that is 20. If I have 11 chips in my ones place, that's 11 ones. Remember, I have to decompose a 10. So it's not easy for me to remove 8 from 11. 8 from 11 is 3. And 2 minus 1 is 1, 13. Here's something to remember. Once you are doing subtraction, it is the minuend, that is the number you are subtracting from the bigger number, that you draw in your chips. The subtrahend, that is the number you are subtracting from the bigger number, is cancel out. You just cancel out. So the 8, you see the way I cancel that 8 once, that is I remove 8. What is left? 3. In the tens place, I cancelled 110 because it's 18 now. What is left? 110. So my answer is 13. Here's another example. 56 minus 29. In the vertical method, you see it on the right hand side. I have to draw a chips and decompose a 10 so that I can remove 9 from 16 ones. And when I remove 9 from 16 ones, I have 7 ones. And I now remove 2 tens from 4 tens. I have 2 tens left. My answer is 27. So I drew both the chips and you also use the vertical method. I hope you can solve that for me. Let's take another example. 72 minus 36. I can now remove 6 from 2. So I have to decompose a 10. So I now have 12 ones. If I remove 6 ones from 12 ones, I'll be left with 6 ones. If I remove 3 tens from 6 tens, I have 3 tens left. So my answer is 36. Do you see? 36 plus 36 is 72. Here's another example. 85 minus 48. The vertical method on the right and the cheat model on the left. I have to decompose a 10 so that I will have 15 ones. It will now be easier for me to remove 8 ones. 15 ones minus 8 ones is 7 ones. And 7 tens minus 4 tens is 3 tens. So my answer is 37. When you draw the chip model, you see it clearly. Very easy for you to do. So let us look at this question. Would you say it's true or false? 40 minus 24 is the same thing as 33 minus 17. What's your answer? Take a second to solve it. 40 minus 24 equals 33 minus 17. Oh, I see you said it's true. The other one said no, I want to see. Let us solve it together. Let's see. Here is 40 minus 24. I cannot remove 4 from 0, so I have to decompose a 10. So I have 10 ones now. If I remove 4 from 10 ones, I have 6 ones left. And if I remove 2 tens from 3 tens, I have 1 10. So my answer is 16. 40 minus 24, 16. And 33 minus 17, I cannot remove 7 from 3, so I have to decompose a 10. So I have 13 ones. 13 ones minus 7 ones is 6. 6 ones. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So I still have 16 ones. So our question, 40 minus 24 is the same as 33 minus 17. What's the answer now? It is true because it's the same 16. Alright, so cuties, complete your lesson 13 problem set and bring your work for marking. See you in our next lesson.